Hello, my friends. So as I promised, I wanted to make a video to teach you how to use Yuja and as a very powerful tool to make videos. So here, first of all, I need to share my screen with you that you see what's happening. So if I share my screen, so as you see here, I need first to go to my dashboard. In any of the classes that I have, you can see Yuja if you just click on them. So I click on this left side list, you can find Yuja. If you click on Yuja, you see this page. To create a video, all you need to do is to click on create recording. If it's the first time that you use it, you have to download the app. If not, then all you need to do is to just click on start and open Yuja software. And when the software is open, so it takes like 10 seconds probably, and then you have different icons. If you click on video, then if you have a source of video, my source of video, I'm already using it on Zoom to record this. But if you have even two source of videos, imagine you have two webcams for two person and you want to record both of them together. So you can use this. You should have a source of audio too. So if you click on source of audio here, and you can select your source of audio and screen. In screen also, you can record your screen at the same time. If you click on advanced setting for screen, you can see, if you have one screen or two screen, or if you want just capture a part of your screen. So screen is a single display, a dual displays or capture selected area. So if you save this and then after you did this, so we don't use live, but if you want to use live, you can also do live streaming. And then when you are done with this, you push start, and then when you finish your video, just push pause and click on either you can continue and resume or finish. And if you click on finish, it asks you if you want to save or delete the video. If you push save or click on save, so it takes some time to render. So it's like each video depends on its size. It takes really a time to render by the software. So here, if you click on my media here or manage media, both do the same thing. So I did one before to have it as an example. So if I click play and have it, I hope it's rendered. So yeah, as you see, I have three different windows here. The first one is the primary desktop. The second one is my webcam. And the third one is secondary screen. If you just move your mouse cursor on any of them, you should see this arrows. So if you click on this arrow, look what happened. This became the main screen or main window of my recording. If you click on this, this becomes the main. So depends on how many screen or video sources that you have, you can. So this gives your student to have a control on what they really need to do. They need to see the presentation larger, or you explaining something. So after you're done with this, if you go to my media, you just have your mouse cursor on the video here and click on more, you see this new video is opened. So you can download it, you can write a comment on it, even you can take a quiz about that. So you can have a video and make a quiz. What I need really, for our purpose, what we need to do is to have a link. So if you click on link, what you see is this link. So it's Pierce Yuja URL. And if you click on that and copy it and then share it with anyone, so I want to share it if this, and you can just paste it here, enter, and then this is my video. So you can basically share that link if you have it in your manage media folder or my media folder. If you just share this link with anyone, they can watch your video. So imagine you want to explain something for your student, you make a video here and just send this link to the student and they can see it. So this is all. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you.